Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more Security and Privacy. And here scroll down again to find encryption credentials. So almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on clear credentials and tap on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it's normal. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.